Hi all, let us continue with the 10th standard maths arithmetic progressions. Let us continue with the AP. Next example, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? The list of numbers in this case are in AP 20, 19, 18 and so on. Here first term is 20, common difference is second term minus first term, 19 minus 20 minus 1. Here total number of logs, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. Therefore Sn 200. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a 20 plus n minus 1 d into minus 1. Take 2 left hand side, 200 into 2, 400 is equal to 40 minus n plus 1. 41 minus n, that is 400 is equal to 41n minus n square, or n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation solved by the method of factorization by splitting the middle term minus 41n as the sum of two terms whose product is 400 n square. We can write n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0, or n minus 16 minus 25 n minus 16 is equal to 0. Two factors are n minus 16 or n minus 25 is equal to 0. That is n is equal to 16 or n is equal to 25. Now if n is equal to 16, the number of logs at the top is n is equal to 16. N is number of logs at the top is a16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d, a plus 15d. A, here a is 20 plus 15 into d minus 1, 20 minus 15, 5. Therefore 5. Next case is, and if n is equal to 25, the number of logs at the top is a25, a plus 25 minus 1 into d, a plus 24d, a plus 24d, 20 minus 24, minus 4, which is not possible. Minus 4 is not possible. Therefore, there are 16 rows and there are 5 logs at the top row. Therefore, there are 16 rows and there are 5 logs. 16 rows and 5 logs at the top row. Example, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Here the distance traveled by the competitor to pick first potato. The distance traveled by the competitor to pick first potato. First bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. Therefore, 5 meters away, 5 meters from the first potato, and runs back to drop it in the bucket. 5 plus 5, 10 meters. Similarly, the distance traveled by the competitor to pick second potato. Second potato is 5 plus 3, 8 meters. 8 meters plus second potato is 8 meters. 5 plus 3, 8 meters. And run back to drop it in the bucket. 8 plus 8, 16 meters. Similarly, the distance traveled by the competitor to pick third potato, which is 5 plus 3 plus 3, 11 meters, and run back to drop it in the bucket. 11 plus 11, 22 meters. So the list of numbers are in AP, that is 10, 16, 22 are in AP here. Here first term is 10, second term common difference 16 minus 10, 6. N is total number of potatoes, N, 10. 10 potatoes are in the line, so N is equal to 10. Using the formula Sn is equal to N by 2, 2a plus N minus 1 into D. N 10 by 2, 10 plus 10 minus 1, 9, D is 6. 5, 2 10s are 20, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 20, 74, 74 into 5, 370. Therefore, thus the total distance traveled by the competitor to pick all the potatoes is 370 meter. Next example, find 3 consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression whose sum is 18 and the sum of their squares is 140. Let let the terms be 3 consecutive terms in an AP A minus D A plus D given sum is 18 whose sum is 18 A minus D plus A plus D is 18. 3A is equal to 18, that is A is equal to 18 by 3 or A is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. Also given sum of their squares is 140. Also given sum of their squares A minus D square plus A square plus A plus D whole square is 140. Substitute A 6 minus D whole square plus 6 square plus 6 plus D whole square is equal to 140. Here A minus D whole square, A minus D whole square, A square plus D square minus 2AD. Similarly A plus D whole square, A square plus D square plus 2AD. Using these two identities, 6 square 36 plus D square minus 2AD 12D. Take 6 square right hand side, 36 plus D square plus 12D is equal to 140 minus 6 square 36. Here minus 12D plus 12D, D square 2D square plus 36 plus 36 72 is equal to 140 minus 36 104 or 2D square is equal to 104 minus 72. 104 minus 72 is 32. 2D square is equal to 32 or D square is equal to 32 by 2. 6. D square is equal to 16. D square is equal to 16. Take square root on both sides. Square root on both the sides. D is equal to square root of 16. 4 square is plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. If D is equal to plus 4, then terms are minus D. 6 minus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, that is 2. 6 minus 4 2, 6. 6 plus 4 10. If D is equal to minus 4, then terms are 6 plus 4, 6. 6 minus 4 10, 6, 2. Next example, in an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13 and the sum of the first 4 terms is 24, what is the sum of the first 10 terms? Given in an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13, A12 is minus 13 and the sum of the first 4 terms is 24. Sum of the first 4 term S4 is 24. What is the sum of the first 10 terms? Sum of the first 10 terms. Here we need to find S10. A12 is minus 13. A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 12 minus 1 into D. A plus 11D is equal to minus 13. Let it be equation number 1. Also given S4 is equal to 24. S4. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore S4, 4 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3d is equal to 24. 2 2s are 4 plus 6d, 2 2 4a, 2 into 6d is equal to 24. Thus divided by 2, 2a plus 3d is equal to 12. Equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. We get 2a plus 22d minus 26. Equation 3. Let us solve equation 2 and 3. Equation 3 minus equation 2. We get 2a plus 22d is equal to minus 26. 2a plus 3d is equal to 12. Subtract 22 minus 3, 19 plus 19d minus 26 minus 12 minus 38. D is equal to minus 38 by 19. 2s are. Therefore D is equal to minus 2. Put D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. We get a plus 11 into minus 2 is equal to minus 13. A minus 22 is equal to minus 13. A is equal to minus 13 plus 22 is plus 9. A is equal to plus 9. S10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2. 2a9 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. D is minus 2. 2 5s are 5 plus 18 minus 18. 0 plus 18 minus into 18 0. 0 into 5 0. S10 is 0.